Blood red in the streets as Bitcoin getting absolutely hammer-fisted. Not to talk about the blood in the altcoin markets. Is this market over? Where are we likely to bounce if this bull market is to continue? My name's Matt. This is Boys Crypto. Today, we are going to snipe the bottom. Let's dive into the chart. Today, our weapon of choice for sniping, the Fibonacci retracement tool. You can find this tool over here on the left in TradingView, and you can do a double click and extend to wherever you'd like in the chart, and it's going to bring up these mathematical values that have historically represented perfect buying opportunities for Bitcoin in the past. What we're going to use today to snipe the bottom, baby. We need to understand market structure before we dive into this bottom sniping tactic, baby. We need to understand that we are creating higher lows and higher highs on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. This market structure is key when you're identifying higher lows, and you need to understand that if we do have a break in market structure, we will have to flip our technique to the bearish side to see where the next local lower high will come in. So right now we're speculating on a higher low. If this 786 Fibonacci level does not hold, it is likely that we come down and break market trend, and we can use the same tool to speculate on where our first lower high will come in the sequence. So what's happened in the past year for Bitcoin? We have our Fibonacci retracement tool pulled up here on the charts. We are going to take our swing low to swing high of the prior range and identify a key area where Bitcoin made the last macro low, right? So here we are. We have our swing low to swing high coming in here in that golden pocket ratio where it is very, very likely for Bitcoin to bounce. And here we are. That wick came down perfectly into that zone, the golden pocket ratio zone between the 618 and the 786 before having a further retracement to the upside. This area, the golden pocket, comes in over and over and over again in Bitcoin's price history. Take your Fibonacci tool, go back in time and see how often this area represents an area that Bitcoin has bounced very, very hard from. Onto the present range, copy and pasting what we've just done for the prior range. We're going to take our swing low to swing high here, baby. Bitcoin retracing after this M pattern that was formed here on the weekly down into our golden pocket zone here between the 618 and the 786, currently sitting between $62,000 and $72,000. This is the next likely zone for me that I see Bitcoin bouncing and having a higher low on the macro in confluence with these high volume nodes sitting here, all these orders ready to pick up Bitcoin at these cheap prices, baby. It looks like this area could be an area of maximum fear and maximum pain for people, but whales know that mathematically that this is likely to be the area that the next higher low does come in the sequence if this bull market is to continue and a push for the upside. So Boys Crypto, what if that Fibonacci zone does not work out to the upside? Well, if we break our 786, we are likely to come down and test this support level here at about 54,000. Upon a break of $54,000, that would represent a change in that higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low market structure, and we would create our first lower low down here. Once we create that first lower low, we need to speculate, regardless of whether price pushes back up in the positive direction, on the first lower high coming in for Bitcoin. So how would we look at that? Well, we would take our Fibonacci tool and take it from the swing high. Instead of going from swing low to swing high, you would take from swing high to swing low, and you would have your 618 to 786 area sitting up here in between about 81,000 and 93,000. Now that is speculating on a lower high coming in. If you are a bear, if you think the price of Bitcoin's going down, this is likely how it would happen. A break in market structure and a lower high coming in at your bearish 618, 786 retracement zone, an area where you could speculate on it being a local top and short that puppy to the downside, baby. Thank you for watching this sniper edition of Boys Crypto. Thank you. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up here and being here. Join me tonight on the live at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We stream every single night, going over trade ideas, hot setups, hot altcoins, and everything the chat wants to dive into, baby. I will see you there. Until then, Boys Crypto is out.